Jesus, he loves me. He loves me. He is for me. Hey friends, this is Jesus Loves Me, the Chris Tomline version. I hope you love it and realize how simple it can be to chord and sing along. Make sure to stop the video. If you click right below, you will find the link to the chord sheet and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. Okay, so there's really only 4 chords that I've kind of kept this down to the basics to cover. So we have C, F, G, and then we have our A minor. So let's find those. Let's look for the group of 2 black notes, and to the left of those, you will find a C note. And you put thumb on C, lining up your 5 fingers and play every other note. So we have C, E, G there, and that's our C chord, okay? Then if you scoot down 2 sets of notes, I'm kind of moving fingers 2 and 4 out of the way for you so you can see what I'm doing there. So play A, C, E, and that's our A minor chord, okay? And then move down 1 set of notes and you're in the G position, so play G, B, D. Every other note there, that's our G chord. And then our last and final chord is our F chord. So move down 1 set of notes. The F is kind of anchored right by the left of the 3 black notes. Play F, A, C, and there's your F chord, okay? So those 4 chords, that's it. So I'll review. We have C, down 2 notes to the A minor, down 1 set of notes there, G, and then our F right next door. Okay, so I like to keep my left hand kind of anchored in the whole song and recommend you do the same thing. Play thumb on C, lining up these 5 fingers, and we're just going to play single notes over here. So when we play chords in our right hand, single note's going to line up with that. So we're going to put thumb on C, play C single note, A minor to A in the bass. Sorry, A minor to A in our right hand, G to G chord, and then F when we play that F chord, okay? I'm going to sing and play through verse 1, bringing in the vocals and the rhythm, and then we'll break down that rhythm for you, okay? I was lost, I was in chains, the world had a hold of me. My heart was a stone, I was covered in shame when he came. So what we're doing to bring these 2 hands together is really simple. It's just a rhythm that I call 1-to-2 ratio, and that's going to work really good with this song because it's written in 4/4 time signature. So what that means is we're going to play both hands down at the same time, single notes to chords in our right hand, and then you're just going to play that chord by itself. So we're going to go together, right hand, together, right, together, right, together, right. And you can just practice that pattern, that rhythm over and over and over so your hands can get used to that nice basic marching rhythm, getting 2 hands to work together. Okay, let's talk about patterns. So there's several verses in this song. They're all going to be the same chords, just different lyrics, okay? So you're going to kind of see the same chord progression repeated over and over. So if you memorize the C, A minor, F, G, you'll notice in the verses that's repeating over and over and over. Okay, let's take a look at that pre-chorus just because we're on the topic of patterns. C, A minor, F, G. Okay, which pre-chorus and chorus have the same chords repeated over and over. So just take note of those patterns in your music. The bridge is going to be probably altogether different. Yes, the altogether different chord progression, but you'll see it's repeated twice. So it's A minor, F, C, G. So we're taking those same 4 chords and we're just kind of restructuring them based on if it's a chorus or a verse or a bridge, okay? All right, why don't we work together on that verse and you can come and play along with me. If you just need to do right hand only, that's totally fine as well, okay? Here we go. I was, move to the A minor, lost, I was in, move to the F, chains, the world had a G right next door, hold of me. Repeat those same 4 chords. My heart was a minor, stone, I was covered in F, shame, when he, G, came from me. Okay, So we're still, we're coming off of C, A minor, F, G. Oh, the same chords. Sorry. Verse and pre-chorus are the same. Is there a lot of repetition? I think the verses, pre-chorus, and chorus are all the same. 4 chords, C, A minor, F, G. Sorry, on my screen, I can only see a few sections at a time. Okay, so pre-chorus, here we go. C, A minor, F, G is the pattern. I couldn't run, couldn't, A minor, run from his presence, F. I couldn't run, couldn't, G, run from his arms. Okay, and then the chorus goes C, A minor, F, G. Here we go. Jesus, he, A minor, loves me. He, F, loves me. He is G for me. Repeat. Jesus, how, A minor, can it be? He, F, loves me. He is for me. All right, let's just take a look at that bridge at the end. We're going to switch up the chords. This is only part that's switching up the order. So we're going to go A minor, F, C, G, okay? He holds a star and he, F, holds my heart, C, with healing hands, that G, bear the scars. Again, repeat those same 4 chords. The rugged cross where he, F, died for me. C, my only hope, my G, everything. And then you can go back into that chorus. Jesus, he loves me, and so on. So when I'm breaking off of that chorus, I think how they do it on the song is they come off of that chorus, he loves me, he is for, and you're going to hold that G and then go directly into the bridge. You're not going to do that C on the end of that chorus when you're coming into that bridge. Okay, so that's going to look like this. So we're coming off of that chorus, just that last line here. He loves me, he is for me. See how I cut off that C coming into that A minor for that bridge? He holds a star and he holds my heart. See, with healing hands that bear the scars, and so on, okay? So that's how that transition goes from typically a chorus into the bridge. All right, so I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can have a lot of fun playing along with me. If you mess up, just find your next chord and keep going along with me. Like I said, maybe you just want to work it into sections, verse by itself, chorus by itself, pre-chorus, then the bridge. But most of the song repeats the entire thing, so that's pretty fun. All right, here we go. I was lost, I was in chains, the world had a hold of me. My heart was a stone, I was covered in shame when he came for me. I couldn't run from his presence. I couldn't run from his arms. Jesus, he loves me, he is for me. Jesus, how can it be? He loves me, he is for me. It was a fire deep in my soul. I'll never be the same. I stepped out of the dark into the light when he called my name. Jesus, he loves me, he is for holds a star and he holds my heart with healing hands that bear the scars, the rugged cross where he died for me, my only hope, my everything. Jesus, he loves me, he loves me, he is for me. Jesus, how can it be? He loves me, he is for